everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. So if you also want to add shortcut in Google Chrome, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So adding the shortcut in Google Chrome is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here, I have already opened it. Once you open Google Chrome, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now, in order to add the shortcut, over here, you'll be able to find the option for add shortcut. Simply click on it. Now, after that, you can see over here, you'll have to enter the name and URL. So for the URL, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply go to the website of whose you want to add the shortcut. For example, I want to add the shortcut of YouTube. So I'm just going to type in youtube.com, press enter. Now after that, at top you'll be able to see the URL over here. Simply copy it. First of all, select it. After that, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now go to a new tab. Click on the option add shortcut. Now what you have to do is enter the name over here. Now simply paste the URL over here. Simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Now what you have to do is click on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here the shortcut has been added. If you click on the shortcut, you can see over here that website will automatically open without you having to search for it. So like this, you'll be able to add the shortcut on Google Chrome. So that is how you add shortcut on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.